Our industry-respected Eventually Zero Employee Accident Solution, or EZEA, is the high-specification safety program that your company has been looking for. The aim of the EZEA Solution is to continually reduce accidents, near misses, and dangerous occurrences by embedding a consistent and measurable improvement system within your company's culture. It's about ensuring your company achieves optimal productivity with all of your employees returning safely home at the end of their shift. Premier Corporate Training is officially recognized as one of the most effective training companies in the UK. The EZEA Solution is delivered by a combination of our senior staff and a team of experts from the University of Aston's Crisis Centre. We have a wealth of experience delivering bespoke solutions across all industry sectors. Dr. Patrick Tissington leads our team, and he has worked closely with market-leading companies such as Shell, AstraZeneca and the Defence Academy, as well as advising the UK and other foreign governments on safety in the workplace. The EZEA system is already being utilised by some of the largest high-pressure organisations in the UK. Our extensive experience in developing effective safety solutions has highlighted the fact that any accident reduction system needs to be implemented and crucially embedded within the internal culture of your business. Only by embedding the system and continually working to improve performance will you develop a system that actually delivers what you need. An ongoing, measurable, performance-based solution that allows you to see in real time how your company is performing and progressing. Behavioral change is a phrase that has become increasingly popular across industry. It's essential to developing an effective safety culture. But to make it possible, you need to address any underlying issues that make it difficult for people to change, to look at the issues that actually affect employee behavior. Let us give you a recent real-life example to make this clear. A group of operatives had recently attended a behavioral change course. The course itself was excellent. Some really good ideas were discussed on how to improve safety in the future. When the operatives went back onto site, their foreman told them that because they had been on the course that morning, they now had 3 hours to do a job that would normally have taken a full day. For many reasons, mainly the psychological need to fit in with the team and anxiety about being highlighted as a troublemaker, none of the group objected and they got on with the job. Due to the rush, there was a severe accident and one of the operatives was hospitalized. This all happened on the very afternoon after their behavioral change course. We're all aware of similar occurrences. They happen every day in all industries, where unwritten rules govern people's actions. The negative cultures and attitudes of employees within a business are proven inhibitors on the impact of behavioral change programs. There are many unwritten rules that govern the way people work. Rules such as, just get on with it, even though it may be unsafe to do so. Had the attitude of the whole company been that of a safe one, the foreman would have not asked the employees to do the job in an unrealistic time frame. So, was the foreman directly to blame? Or was the pressure he placed on his employees a result of pressure on him from his manager? As we like to say, it wasn't the tip of the iceberg that sunk the Titanic, it was the area hidden under the surface. The hard-to-see underlying culture and attitudes of a company will impact its health and safety performance. We need to look at the emotional side of employees. We are humans, not robots. Emotional understanding and empathy is key to changing cultures and attitudes, which in turn change behaviors. We know from working with some of the largest companies in the UK that even the most financially backed initiatives can come unstuck by an archaic way of thinking that goes something like, well, that's not the way we do things around here. The key to changing is achieving employee buy-in. Our research shows that one of the key success factors is gaining support from the social alpha employees in the workplace. By social alpha, we mean those people in the workforce who have greater influence over others. This may be because of their position, their reputation, or their sway among other employees. They will have very strong views and could get people to agree with them, even if the others don't firmly believe in the views themselves. In this way, their opinion can quickly spread and become the opinion of a large portion of your workforce. We call this viral communication. These employees can be the key to ensuring an initiative succeeds. If they spread what we class as a negative viral, the message can have a negative impact on the culture of the company. But if we can achieve their buy-in by proving the initiative can be successful and that it's not just another health and safety initiative that will be quickly forgotten about, then they can be used to spread a positive message rather than a negative one. To achieve the total buy-in essential for long-term change, the EZEA Solution will help you to engage with all of your employees. We'll start by sitting down and talking to them, listening to their views, their opinions and their ideas. Taking this time at the start will allow us to build the solid foundations that are needed to achieve maximum success. By involving everyone from the start, we will help you to engage with your employees, including the ones who have the most influence over others. You know from experience that if your views are listened to and taken seriously, you are more likely to have a positive reaction. It's simple yet highly effective. In order to achieve excellent results, we begin with a company-wide presentation, which can be delivered in as many locations as you need. This gives us the opportunity to engage with your employees and to talk to them about their personal objectives and the company's objectives as a whole. Via a bespoke system which has been developed by Aston University's Crisis Centre, we then engage with the employees while gathering critical information. This is an essential first step to profiling your company, to find out how you are performing right now. This then gives us an exact benchmark to measure all future results against. The results are then analysed and returned by the Crisis Centre team, giving us a quantitative picture of where the company is at present. From the start, your employees will feel like an involved and important part of the process. The areas we research will be guided by your objectives and our experience at achieving results from past surveys. The results can be broken down into countries, regions, sites, and even job roles. You'll be able to see what areas are performing well against the company average and where problems are likely to arise. For example, where Site D is performing poorly in the area of unsafe acts compared to Sites A, B and C. The results are quantitative and measurable, and where issues are highlighted, we'll present a suitable solution to the problem. Our EZEA Solution is working for other companies and has highlighted many problem areas which, if left unchecked, would have resulted in accidents. You will agree, prevention is always better than cure. Clients often ask at the start of the project what is needed to really achieve long-term change. The answer is quite simply hard work, accurate application, and recognition that a solution will not be found overnight, but by working together and applying the correct measurable systems and processes. EZEA stands for Eventually Zero Employee Accidents. It has been designed around the simple fact that there isn't an overnight golden bullet solution for everything. You will agree that knee-jerk health and safety initiatives often miss the target. Long-term change can only occur and become a living, breathing part of your company through a continuous cycle of research, implementation, and remeasuring to see what works and what doesn't. By adopting this type of ongoing project and acknowledging and acting positively on the results that are generated, your business can really strive towards that golden goal of zero employee accidents, just like our other clients have. Premier Corporate Training. We rapidly and continually reduce accidents by achieving 100% employee buy-in.